Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to stream Netflix on Zoom. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open your browser and click on this three dot and click on settings and type here hardware, and here you'll find this option hardware acceleration. So all you have to need, you will need to disable hardware acceleration, and after that you'll need to open your Netflix and now click on minimize and open your Zoom desktop client and click on new meeting, or you can join in a meeting. And once you're in a meeting, click on share screen, and all you have to need, just select your Google Chrome where you're watching Netflix and make sure to check this option share sound and click on share, and now search for the movie you want to stream on Zoom, and that's how you can stream Netflix on Zoom. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.